What's up guys, it's Foster and I'm super excited because we're going to be putting a catback system on my WRX today. But before we even get started with that, I got to give this thing a wash. Since I bought the car, I haven't given it a single wash. And since it's silver, you can't really tell, but underneath the car, it's super dirty. So let's get this thing cleaned up and then let's get the new exhaust installed. Okay, before you guys chirp me on not knowing how to wash my car properly, I'm aware that wasn't the proper 2-bucket method, but I just wanted to do something quick and dirty to get a layer off of this car, and it's already looking a lot better, and I got a ton of dirt out from underneath of the car, which is really the main goal, because it's going to make our life so much easier when we go to install that catback exhaust. So we're back in the shop and I got the WRX up in the air to show you guys real quick what it has on it for an exhaust. As I said in a previous video, it's got a no-name axle back on here right now. And it's actually kind of funny because the stock piping where it splits is only 1.5 inch diameter. And this axle back looks like it's 3. And then the stock piping from the catback is 2.5 inch diameter. So there definitely will be some restrictions when we start adding power mods if you keep the stock exhaust system on there, which is why I'm really excited to upgrade to the full 3-inch system. So without further ado, let's get started taking this old exhaust off the car. All right, now it's time for the big reveal, and I've been wearing this Borla hat in the last couple scenes just to throw you guys off, but that's not what I'm installing on the car. I actually chose to go with an AWE Touring Edition exhaust. Now there's a couple different reasons why I like the AWE Touring Edition, and I went with this version instead of the track version. The main reason is that since I'm building a daily driver, I wanted something that's a little bit more refined, and it doesn't have any drone either, which is really nice, so you can take a long road trip and it's not going to make your head want to explode. Another thing that I like about the AWE exhaust is the fact that it's full 3-inch, so down the road when we start adding power mods, it's going to give us less restrictions and less back pressure, which is a good thing with turbo cars. So let's get this on the car and see how it sounds.
Entertainment.
All right, we got the AWE installed on my WRX. Not without struggle though. It was kind of an awkward project leaving that catback fully assembled and trying to get it on and off the car. So I definitely recommend an extra set of hands if you got them. But now that it's on the car, it looks amazing. I love the black tips and I love all the little details like the badges they put on the piping. Really, you're not gonna see any of that stuff when the car is on the ground. And most people probably don't buy exhausts for the way they look. They buy them for the way they sound. So let's cut to some sound clips. Well, you guys, I just got back from driving around in the WRX with the new catback on there, and I had a total blast driving this thing and doing some pulls in Mexico, of course, but I forgot how much fun it is to put a catback on your car. It just makes you enjoy driving more. And that's really why we modify our cars in the first place, is to enjoy driving more and smile when you drive, and I think this AWE is a perfect mod for the daily driver build that we're doing. So it's gonna be a perfect exhaust for the daily driver WRX that you can take to an autocross or take to a track day. So I'm really excited about our choice there. If you guys like this WRX content, give me a like and hit that subscribe button, because I have a ton more mods planned for this WRX in future videos. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.